Introducing the sifWELD Evolution MTS200SYN from Weldability SIF. A fully digital, multi-process MIG, stick, and TIG welder, ideal for mobile, workshop, and body shop use, that with PFC technology can be used on either a 230-volt or 110-volt single-phase power supply. The MTS200SYN combines intelligent synergic and manual MIG welding, and smooth and powerful Lift-TIG and MMA performance. It features a pictorial color LCD display with a simple, easy-to-use interface, which allows quick configuration of all required settings. In MIG manual mode, these include current, voltage, gas, arc force, burn back, and inductance. In MIG synergic mode, by selecting the material, MIG wire size, and gas type, the machine automatically provides optimal settings while giving the user the ability to fine-tune any parameters, including settings for MIG brazing. Stick mode can be used for welding with all popular types of electrode. And in TIG mode, the machine gives genuine lift arc ignition on direct current for welding on steels, stainless, and copper. The optional 4-meter spool-on gun pushes the capabilities of this model even further, enabling tangle-free MIG welding of aluminium on small half-kilo spools. The unit is supplied as a ready-to-weld MIG package, including a SIF gun MIG torch with Euro plug, work return clamp, electrode holder, and gas regulator. If your welding demands mobility, reliability, and the capability to switch between 110-volt and 230-volt, then the sifWELD Evolution MTS200SYN is just what you need. Learn more at sifweld.com.